Did you know a Roman emperor once tried to make his horse the most powerful politician in the empire? Emperor Caligula didn't just love his horse Incitatus. He had a twisted plan to embarrass every senator and politician in Rome. First, he built Incitatus a palace stable made of pure marble. The horse slept on purple blankets and ate oats mixed with real gold flakes. Servants fed him from like an ivory manger. But Caligula wasn't done. He invited senators to dinner parties where Incitatus was the guest of honor. Grown men who ruled the empire had to bow to a horse. Then came the ultimate insult. Caligula announced he would make Incitatus a consul, one of Rome's highest offices. This meant the horse would outrank every senator. The message was clear. You're all so useless, even my horse could do your job better. The Roman elite had enough. In 41 CE, the Praetorian Guard stabbed Caligula to death in an underground tunnel. His horse never became consul, but Caligula had already made his point about Roman politics.